Hey, what's up guys? How you guys doing? Welcome to another video. It's your boy Ray254 Adventures. For those new to the channel, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. Today I'm actually gonna be showing y'all guys the bike that I purchased. We're gonna get into it and show you guys what it looks like and what we're gonna be doing to it and stuff like that. So let's get to it and show y'all. So guys, here goes the bike that I purchased. This was a dirt bike converted into an enduro, and now it's officially street legal. Just going around, just showing you guys real quick. Got the gauge, everything right here. Actually got another little plug right here for your phone if you want to charge your phone up. It was actually just added on, this little piece here. You have the little switch for it, turn everything on there. That's where you put the key at. And this is our little enduro. We got a nice little project to do to this bike, bringing it back to life. This actually came with an orange little fender. They actually gave me all these parts with it. We'll be going through that stuff too also. But this is the fender right here. This orange fender was originally on this front here. Put the white fender because I thought it kind of looks better. You guys let me know if you guys think the white fender look better or the orange fender. But to me, I think the white fender kind of makes it look more nicer and stuff. Just let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Still got some work, a lot of work to do to this thing. Got a lot of mismatched screws and stuff. We're gonna be replacing that. Got a couple missing screws, like in the bottom here. These screws don't even look like they belong there, so we're gonna be changing all those. Actually has another screw here missing. Right here, this one holds the muffler. She does ride, does turns on. A little dirty, need to get cleaned up. Tires in good condition, nice and knobby. The front tire here, 21-inch tire, dirt bike tires. This is good for the trails. This is what I wanted it for the trails, so these tires are perfect for that. And this right here is an 18 in the back. And some nice knobs on it also. Basically like branding. You can see like the little hairs and stuff on it. I can see that, but it does have little hairs on there. And yeah, we got a nice little project to do this thing here. Might upgrade these little mirrors here. I leave them on there for temporarily. We gotta tighten all this stuff here. All this stuff is loose, you gotta get that situated. And let's go through this box. Let's see what they gave us here. They gave us a box full of things. Gave me this fender. And there's another box right here. So let's go through all this stuff before we really get into this bike here and do a nice little B-roll here around this bike. So let's go through all this good stuff they gave us. So guys, they actually gave us another spring here. Not too sure why they got an extra spring. Not too sure that one's like a heavy duty spring, more steadier. A couple extra parts here. It's like a little metal thing, I guess, for the hand guards up there. Extra one. Give me a bag here. Put a couple little goodies in it. Getting some new brakes, some stuff to like tune it up and things like that. Oh, this is for the front brakes. These are some front brake pads. Give me a couple like gaskets and stuff here. I'm not sure what they for. Another little exhaust seal here. That's the exhaust seal's part bad there. Oh yeah, they put like this little quirking type of thing there. So you're gonna have to replace that. Oh, it's actually, looks like it's missing the little ring that this kind of goes on and gets screwed onto. Oh no, it has it on there. Yes, it does have it on there. They just put corking on it. Yeah, we definitely gotta clean that motor up so we can see what it needs and what it don't need. Some little bearings here. Give me a few screws here. This might be for the fenders and stuff. Some more screws. I'll put those to the side. Might need those. This gotta be. Oh, there's like a little seal. It's trash there. They just gave me a whole bunch of stuff here, guys. Give me some extra lights. I kind of like these lights right here. I might replace these. One of the ones that's up there. I'm not too sure. Give me another light, little starter. Stator. Little little electric boxes here. I guess like power and stuff. There's a whole bunch of other like little stuff here, like lights. Some like little links for the chain. Some more screws. We're gonna definitely need those. Another little screw. I don't know what's that for. Put that to the side. They got one new grip here, and I'm thinking that's the one that belongs here because it got two mismatched ones. I guess I didn't finish replacing them, so that's the one that goes right here on this side. But let's get over here. Let's check the next box. It's another extra little light here. In case I want to change the front to the orange one. This little side plastic. I'm gonna need that. A whole bunch of stuff, guys. I don't even think a lot of stuff needs it. They just give it to me extra, I guess, because they had it there. But we're gonna keep all this to the side just in case it does need it. We already have it. And I don't know what the heck is this for. It's like a little wash there. Oh, this for the brakes, because you can see the little bleeding screw there. Gave me some little cages for the front radiator. You know, we paint these up. I'm tired of putting these on here. These will go right here. So it will look just like that once we put them on. Kind of protects it from hitting rocks and stuff onto your radiator. So we're gonna put that on once we get this things all together and paint it. Let us go over here and see what else is in it. Oh, they gave me another little starter here. Small little starter. Looks like a little car starter. It's mini. A little skid plate for the bottom. I might be installing this back on there to protect the bottom of the case in there. Yep. So I'm gonna put that to the side. Give me some more coolant here. You guys know about motorcycles. This right here is good coolant. Definitely keeps your bike nice and cool. It's a nice performing coolant there. And there's some more screws. But that's everything they gave us here. A whole bunch of stuff for the bike. It's hella worth it. Pay $4,000 for this bike, so it's kind of worth it. I think it was worth it. That's why I drove all the way up to go get it. Especially, these KTMs, they hold their values up, so you know they worth some money. And some aftermarket stuff here they put there for the cooling, protect the temperature once it gets hot. It will let you know if it overheats or anything, but it's not gonna overheat because they also got some fans and everything in there. I don't know if I can see that, but you got the fans there and everything on. Let's turn this thing on and show you how it sounds before we do this little B-roll around it. So guys, we're gonna turn it on real quick. Turn it on. Put the choke up. And let's fire this thing up. It's a cold start. And let's fire it up. Make sure she's on neutral. Move it back and forth so it doesn't take off on us when we turn it on. And let's go. Let's turn it on. Goes fired up. Nice little FMF pipe there. Sound nice and crispy. That's what a cold start, guys. Look. Ooh, that thing got warmed up real quick. I thought it was gonna be cool. That definitely warmed up real quick. Put my hand right in there. Almost burned myself. I put the choke up real quick to warm it up. And it warmed it up real fast. Guys, we didn't burn ourselves. Lucky it wasn't that hot that we burned ourselves. But it sounds nice and crispy. You see the light right there? LED light. You can actually turn the other one on. That's for the low. That's for the high beams. This is for the low beams. see the signals and everything is working correctly here. Let's go. The left side signal working good. Check the back. And she's working good. Left signal is working good. Let's go with the right side. And now the back is working good. Shut that off. Shut the back off real quick. And that's what it sounds like. Now it's nice and quiet once you shut it off. Let's go around, give you guys a little B-roll. Once I pull all this stuff around, I'm gonna put this stuff away here. And let's go around the bike and give you guys a nice little B-roll of the bike here.